Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I will show you a very interesting video. The name of this company is Molecular Data. This company is a leading technology company that is based in China. This is Stock Market Now. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up so that we can create more informational and educational videos for you to consume. With that said, let's get right into the video. This company is moving around in China's chemical industry. This might not sound exciting, but remember, this is a growing industry. This company has been turning massive targets of revenues. The price of this company right now is about $2 with a low price of 78 cents. Now you can look at this chart that the price of this company has been up by waves. The first wave shows that the price of the company reached for about 69 cents a peak. Now the second wave shows that the price of the company reached about $2 a peak. Now when you look at the past charts, you can tell that these guys are not doing so great. From over $3 a share, they are going down to around $1 to $2 a share. But right now, a lot of investors are putting their interest in this company because this company right now has better revenues and better information coming in. The volume of investors is increasing in this company from around 200,000 to 600,000. Now, it is at around 5 million in a single day. A lot of retail traders are getting some hype about this stock. Now for the past weeks, this company is doing very well. They are doing some e-commerce solutions, warehousing, financial solutions. Now they usually solve the hard solution for the traditional chemical industry. Also, this company has a lot of AI technology, so you can say that they are AI heavy and not just an e-commerce company. Now you can check their e-commerce business on their platform, WeChat, or their app. Now, let's talk about the revenue of this company. If we are going to talk about revenue, it is clear that the revenue of this company is not trashed. If it is trashed, no one will put their bets into this company. Now, when we look at the revenue of this company from the fourth quarter of 2019, you can see here that there is a 38% increase compared to the fourth quarter of 2018. Now, when you look at the revenue from the year 2019 and compared it to the year 2018, you can see a 46% increase. Now, that is pretty amazing, right? Now, when you look at this chart right here, you can pretty tell that they are very volatile. They are around 580 million than 280 million. But they recovered and stream up about 480 million. Then right now, they are doing pretty good with over $600 million in revenue. Now, a lot of institution is giving them a price target. This one, Arcus Research, is giving them a $9 price target. Arcus Research is pretty big and has a lot of following to take into consideration. When they say what is the price of that company, a lot of people are going to put their interest in it. And this company is one of the penny stock that is doing pretty good right now in terms of revenue, and they are doing a really good job. This company is pretty cheap right now. Now we won't know if it hits around $9 or just $6, but when it does, it is pretty good for everyone. Now according to Arcus Research, this company will have a 500 increase, but that is pretty hard to believe in. But when we are going to look at the management of the company is having some major changes right now. They added Mr. Steve Fu as their Chief Financial Officer. Now, Mr. Fu has a pretty great background in financial experience in different markets. To take into consideration, Mr. Fu has 24 years of financing background, and that is pretty reliable, I would say. This company also has a brand new CEO, which is Dr. Zen Wayne. Also, Mr. Rain is a pretty big director and had been staying for this company for a couple of years now. This company has a lot of insider ownership, which led to the investors nothing to say about the stock. It is mostly what is going on inside. It is pretty good for a company when a lot of inside trading is happening. But it is a controversial thing many people like and many people don't. This company is listed as one of the biggest and leading professional chemical e-commerce integrated platforms out there in the market. Now, this company is not your typical e-commerce company just like Amazon, but they still operate in the e-commerce space, and they use AI to make themselves more valuable. The interesting part about this is that the e-commerce space is starting to revolutionize the chemical industry, and that is pretty important thing right now.
It's not limited by the physical shelf space of the store, and therefore can hold many more products, much larger product range. An experience, it's much more convenient, a better experience to shop from the comfort of your own home, not have to go to a crowded store.
Also, you have Arcus Research that is also putting their bets on this company, which is doing some great research. And remember that Arcus Research is very reputable and they don't really mess around on the things that they put their bets on. An institution like Arcus doesn't usually target penny stocks, so this is a pretty rare opportunity. And when they target a penny stock, they always make sure that the company is pretty good and doing really great. Now, even if you try to do some basic technical analysis on this chart right here, you can clearly see that it is pretty low, if they are going to go lower than 70 cents. Now, more and more people are looking up in this stock every single day, which means that this stock will have a decent growth over time. This penny stock might be the next $10 company. Now, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. This is Stock Market Now. We'll see you in the next video.